Okay, today we are going to make the taro matcha. So what we need here is the milk, the matcha, and also the taro. 50 grams of taro jam. The second step is to scratch on the edge of the cup. So we put 150 grams ice on it. So the next step, we're going to make the milk. First we stir the milk and then we put 150 grams of milk and 40 grams of fructose. So stir it for about 6 to 10 seconds. So we pour the milk into the cup. We put the 100 grams of matcha on the top of the ice so that it can separate and look more beautiful.